you guys? This is Ricardo from Sloppy Incorporated with another video, and this is another unboxing video. Let me go up a little bit, that way you can see my hand. But this is a new case that Rosewill, I want to thank, sent out to us for Slognogs' new build. We're going to be upgrading this PC into this monster of a case. I'll come back when I have this thing out of the box, that way you guys can take a good look at it and I'll show you the features about it. So you guys, I have not removed the paper or the plastic yet to see what this thing has inside of it, so let's go ahead and see what Rosewill can do. Oh, I love that sound. Throw this off to the side. Let's rip that plastic off. Yes. So you guys, this is the Tyrfing, I guess you pronounce it. It's in a nice owner's manual. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Let's see here. Warning, California proposition. I don't know what that is. It contains chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer. Oh, don't like that. So let's see if they're doing okay with their manuals. Not too complicated, not too complicated at all. Not too bad. So you guys, this is a full ATX capable case. It's got 3 fans at the top, 2 fans at the bottom, 2 fans in the front, and 1 fan in the back. It has 2 USB 2.0 ports on it. It has a USB 3.0 port on it, and it has a power button, headphone, and mic jack, and all that cool stuff. So, also a window, as you can see, so I'll come back when I have this side panel off, and I'm going to take the other 2 side panels off. So you guys, I am now hand doing this. So this is, it does come with a fan. That's nice of them to do. It's got a lot of space for cable management. These are the USB 3.0 and 2.0 cables. Has 2 bays for CD card reader, stuff like that. There's the 2 USB 2.0 and the 1 USB 3.0 port that I told you guys about. And this is the back of the case right here. So that's pretty much it to that. There's the 3 fan bays right there, and then the 2 at the bottom, the 1 at the back, and then the 2 at the front. So you guys, make sure to check Rosewill out. I will be doing a build video with this case through Slognogs rig. You guys make a comment, rate, subscribe if you want to see that video. This is Ricardo from Sloppy Incorporated, signing out.